Hello everyone, we are at Disney's Riviera. This is room 8386. This is a preferred view studio. Opens up as a closet right here. It's a nice size closet. Pack and play is in there. At Riviera, you actually get two different bathrooms, just like you do at Polynesian and Grand Floridian. You've got one that has the spa-style shower, has a little Moana-themed print. You've got, the one toilet right here, and then there's a door here that closes between them. So you got that. And then you go to the main bathroom. You've got the vanity and another shower. Nice shower. And actually, for the backup shower, the non-spa shower, this is actually really nice. Really nice tile. Got that like marble look to it. You got your kitchenette, coffee pot, typical microwave, dorm size fridge. Granite, wet bar. Comes with a toaster, all your silverware and plates. This is where it gets cool. The TVs are programmed to have your name on there. So I'll show you. This is the queen size bed. Right there, that's the sofa that pulls down out of the wall, Murphy style. And then under the TV, there's another one. So we got a nice area to sit, eat, work at. And again, when you want to close this up, you literally just pull it up and right back into the wall. And there's Lightning McQueen hiding in the painting. Then you're right back to a regular sitting area. Pretty nice. Go outside on the balcony. Heavy feeling doors. Hopefully it's good for noise isolation. Nice sized balcony. Probably the larger balconies I've seen. Maybe same size as the ones at Animal Kingdom. And you've got all the action going on. Skyliners, they're playing bocce down below me. There's a big chessboard down there. Beautiful resort though. This room's a little over 400 square feet. I believe it's 420 or 421 square feet. You're right on the Skyliner, so great access to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. I like that little touch with the Ferrioli family. If you're ever interested in staying at this resort, we're typically around 40 to 50% cheaper than Disney by renting points. Please visit us at www.dvc-rental.com. Or if you're interested in possibly becoming a DVC member, you can always visit our resale company, buyandsell.dvc.com. We greatly appreciate it. And please hit those like and subscribe buttons as they really help us out. If there's anything you ever want to see, just let us know and we'll try to get a video of it. Thank you very much. Have a magical day. you.